Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Echo Bay, Ontario, a small lakeside town with a peaceful charm. Located just east of Sault Ste. Marie, Echo Bay sits along the beautiful shores of Lake George. This area has a rich Indigenous history, and European settlers arrived here in the mid-19th century. The town grew slowly over the years, shaped by farming, fishing, and its close connection to nature. One of the most well-known local landmarks is the giant Loonie Monument, honoring Robert Ralph Carmichael, the artist who designed the image on Canada's $1 coin, and who once called Echo Bay home. The surrounding countryside is perfect for scenic drives, especially when the fall colors roll in. Whether you're just passing through or planning to stay a while, Echo Bay offers a calm and welcoming escape. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Echo Bay, Ontario.